Alright, what is up guys? Welcome to another video. This is one day late than I wanted the video to be. I had another video planned, but due to privacy concerns and some other issues, I wasn't able to post that video. So here I am, starting with a fresh start. On today's agenda, I'm going to go to the dealership to get the stuff that I need for my oil change. And then after that, I'm going to go to the wheelie lot because, as you guys can see here, I am wearing my fat winter gloves. So I feel like I have fat fingers, so I'm going to try and practice wheelies with them because sometimes when I'm using these gloves, it's kind of hard to release the clutch fast because my fingers feel so fat. So I'm going to be practicing wheelies and whatnot today. Then after that, got to go kind of do some grocery stuff. And then we'll just be riding around the city having some fun. So it has been raining for the past few days. Today it just started to dry up. The leaves are on the ground now, so I gotta be careful for those. Yesterday was when I was trying to make that video. Yesterday and a couple days before that I was trying to make that video and it was wet out, so that was one of the first rides in the wet for me. But my mic cut out yesterday when I was trying to add on to the video from a couple nights ago, so yeah, it was a mess. So like I said, here I am starting fresh. I'm sure there will be more rain rides in the future, but yeah, like I said, I'm just going to be going to the wheelie lot today, getting used to these new gloves because they're kind of fat, make my hands feel weird and whatnot. Get my oil change parts ordered, and then we'll continue on with the ride. So I hope you guys are all having a great day. Ooh, wow, 900 miles, exactly. I'm glad it's dry today so I can kind of not baby the KLX. We will be back to this lot in a little bit here, but first I'm gonna go inside to my dealership and finally get the stuff I need for my oil change. Honestly, I don't remember at this point if it was supposed to be at 600 or 1000 or 800, but I'm at 900 and I should probably get that done. Nice Mustang. Alright guys, we are done at the dealership. I guess they did have the stuff that I needed for my oil change. Now we're gonna hop over to the wheelie lot real quick and see if I can't get used to these gloves a little bit. Alright, here we go. Up and over. Alright, do our little once around here and we will go ahead and start some progression here. I'm definitely going to start out small because, like I said, these gloves kind of give me a weird vibe, but that is okay. Just giving a little bit of a clutch pop. You guys know the drill. And then once I get comfortable with those, I'll go ahead and start giving it more gas and trying to chase them out. Alright, starting to feel a little bit more comfortable with these gloves. Definitely got a little bit of a death grip going on. No cops on the street here. There we go, getting a little better. Popping that front wheel up. My fingers aren't feeling so chubby now. That's a good thing. Getting used to these gloves a little bit better. See, I just need to give it a little bit of that clutch snap. I'm kind of slipping the clutch too much when I am releasing it. Alright, give my hands a little bit of a break here. Kinda got a little death grip going on, not gonna lie. Alright guys, here we go again. Alright guys, feeling a little bit more comfortable now. There we go. That's confidence inspiring. Not gonna lie, I was getting a little frustrated there. Alright guys, a couple more and then we'll continue on with the ride. Glad that I am making progress because, like I said, it was a little bit frustrating. Like I said, my gloves, kinda gotta get used to that, but also just keeping proper technique and not letting the clutch out too early, slipping out, doing whatever. So that's good. Alright guys, successful day at the lot. That's a good thing. Kind of getting used to these winter gloves now. My fingers don't feel so chubby. Now, we can continue on to have some fun. Man, this 13 tooth really helps in the city here. Gives you some more room for acceleration. Really makes you feel like you're actually going somewhere when you get on the throttle. Say instead of, you know, not going somewhere when you're in the wrong gear, but you can think a little bit less about not being in the right gear with the 13 tooth. Ah, jeez, it's raining. Oh well. Looks like it's just going to be a light rain and then the sun will come back out. Oregon's liquid sunshine, huh? Really did. Sheesh, loud siren. Geez, smell like that cop car was running as hard as that car has ever ran, burning off some of the deposits in the catalytic converters. Could definitely smell that. Alright, here we are to do some errands. Fun! Alright guys, see you in a sec. Alright guys, we are out of the store. So, we are done in the store. I think now I am going to head to the mall because I want to practice some more wheelies. Alright guys, we are at the mall. You guys know what that means. Ooh, a new Audi A5. Alright, wise guy. What do we got here? Honda Interceptor, huh? Alright guys. There we go. Getting the hang of it now. Alright. Clutch slipped there. That was odd. I'd say we should probably stop for a little bit then. We got a couple good ones in there. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also share the video to those who may enjoy it. And if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And with all that being said, join the club. And I'll see you in the next one.